Good morning, dear students. Today we start here exercise 7.2 and 7.3. In this video, I will tell you here exercise 7.2 and 7.3 because very short, very small exercise. I have only two questions in this exercise, and 7.3 also three questions. So I will tell you here exercise 7.2 and 7.3 of maths class 3rd. Okay. Now here the first question is arrange 10 balloons. These are balloons here. So arrange 10 balloons into group of 4 each. Means here 10 balloons are here, and we make the group, but each group should be 4 balloons. So, how many groups? So, dear children, this is the first group and this is the second group. Okay? Means in each group having 4 balloons. So, number of, here we write the number of groups and number of left balloons. So, how many groups are here? First group, group 1 and group 2. This is the first group and this is the second group. So we write here group 2 group. How many groups here? 2 groups. So we write here 2. Now balloons left over. How many balloons are left? 2 balloons are left. So we write here 2. Okay. Now quotient and the remainder. So dear children, look at here, how many balloons are left? 2 balloons. So this is your remainder. 2 balloons are left. जब वो डिविजिबल नहीं हो, balloons group नहीं बने, means वो आपका remainder हो गया. These two balloons are left, so this is a remainder. And how many groups are left? 2 groups are left. Means 2 is your quotient. 2 is your quotient. So we write here quotient equal to and remainder equal to. For verification, we solve here 10 divided by 4. 10 divided by 4, what? Because 10 balloons are here. How many balloons? 10 balloons. And 4 balloons are in each group. So 10 divided by 4 equal, your quotient is 2 and the remainder is also 2. So quotient and remainder is 2. Okay. Now first question is solved. That is solved. Now question number 2. We find the quotient and the remainder by long division. Now here we find the quotient and remainder. So this is your, in the last video I told you here, this is your divisor, this is your dividend. This is your divisor, this is your dividend, this is your quotient, and this is a remainder. Okay? So dear children, we read the table divisor to dividend. So first we read the 1-digit table, but 4 is smaller than 5. So we read the table in 2 digits. So 5, 8, read the table, comes 42. So 5 not more than 42. But 5 8 is a 40. 5 8 is a 40 and 5 9 is a 45. Then 45 is greater than 42. So we read the table only 8 times, not greater. आपको greater तक टेबल में रीड करना है. आपको ऐसा रीड करना है कि इससे ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. रीजन इससे ज्यादा क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए? क्योंकि हम डिवाइड करने पे इसको सबट्रैक्ट करते हैं. क्या करते हैं? सबट्रैक्ट करते हैं. जब सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो ये स्मॉलर होगा, तो हम ग्रेटर नंबर को कैसे सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे? आप 5 में 3 को माइनस. Now yes, dear children, question number B is 42 divided by 5. So 5 8 is a 40. Your remainder is 2 is here. So quotient is 8, remainder is 2. Now the second question, 19 divided by 2. So we read the table 92. Read the table 2 19. So 2 9 1 is your रिमाइंडर। ये जरूर ध्यान रखिएगा कि रिमाइंडर जो है कभी भी डिवाइजर से ग्रेटर नहीं होना चाहिए। रिमाइंडर एंड डिवाइजर वे दोनों में ग्रेटर नहीं होना चाहिए, ना तो इक्वल होना चाहिए। यदि इक्वल भी हो गया मींस आपने टेबल कम पढ़ा वन टाइम। ओके, नाउ हियर यहाँ पे देखिए अभी हमने 2 डिजिट में टेबल पढ़ रहे थे, अब यहाँ हम सिंगल डिजिट में टेबल पढ़ के आपको दिखा। 7 टेबल पढ़ेंगे 6 में, क्योंकि 6 छोटा है, स्मॉलर है, तो हम दोनों में पढ़ सकते हैं टेबल, लेकिन हम यहाँ आपको इस टाइप से भी बता रहे हैं। 7 का टेबल 6 में जब पढ़ेंगे तो 6 क्या है, स्मॉलर है देन 7, सो वी रीड द टेबल 2 टाइम, सॉरी 0 टाइम। 7 1 जा 7 ज्यादा हो जाता है, तो इसलिए हमें 1 टाइम में ज्यादा होता है तो 2 टाइम टेबल पढ़ेंगे। 7 0 0, now 6 minus 0 equals 6, comes down here 4, and 7 9 जा 63, 4 minus 3 equal 1, 6 minus 6 equal 0, means your quotient is 9 and remainder is 1. Now the last question is 71 divided by 9. So read the table 9 to 71. So 9 8 ja 72. When we read the table 8 times, then comes 72, and 72 is greater than 71. So we read the table only 7 times. So 9 7 ja 63. Then 11 minus 3 equal 8, and 6 minus 6 equal 0. So your quotient is 8 and the remainder is, sorry, your quotient is 7 and the remainder is 8. With that, this exercise is completed. Now the next exercise 7.3. Now, the children, question number first in the exercise 7.3. First question is fill in the blanks. So some numbers are written here 1, and this question is here 2, and in the first question is done here. So we solve the question number 2. Now first we read the table 2 to 8 times. So how many times we read the table? 2 4 ja 8, 4 times. So we write here 4. हम जितने टाइम टेबल रीड करते हैं उसको यहाँ लिखते हैं क्वार्टेंट की जगह। 2 4 जा 8, now we write here 8, 8 minus 8 equal 0. Now comes down here what, 7. Now read the table 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, and 8 is greater than 7, so we read the table only 3 times. So 2 3 ja 6. Your remainder is 1, means quotient equal 43 and the remainder equal 1. Okay, now the next question. 6 1 ja, already 1 is written here, so 6 1 ja 6 0. Now comes down here what, 6. Now 6 1 ja 6 0. Your quotient is 11 and your remainder is 0. Now the question number, next question 4. Read the table 4 to 4. So how many times we read table here? 4 1 ja 4, यानी 1 time. So we write here 1, 4 1 ja 4, 0 comes down here 8. यहाँ 4 के बाद क्या है यहाँ पर 8, तो 8 नीचे आ जाएगा. So 4 का टेबल पढ़ेंगे, कितने टाइम पढ़ेंगे? 2 ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, तो 4 2 जा 8. So we write here 8. 0 comes down here 4, then 4 1 ja 4, means your quotient is 121 and the remainder is 0. Okay, now the first question is completed. Now the second question, divide and check your answer. So dear children, here first we divide here 69 divided by 3, 78 divided by 7, and 52 divided by 5. Then we check your answer is right or wrong. So here children, first we read the table 5 to 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 0. Now comes down here 2. याद रखिएगा जब भी कोई नया नंबर लाएंगे नीचे, चाहे वो आपका कोई नंबर हो 1 2 3 4 हो या एनी नंबर, चाहे ग्रेटर हो या स्मॉलर हो, या 0 भी आप नीचे लाएंगे तो भी आपको टेबल पढ़ना ही है। ये नहीं कि आप सोचो कि ये तो स्मॉलर है या कि ये तो यहाँ सपोज मान लीजिए 0 है, अब यहाँ हमने 0 ला दिया तो अब आप इसका टेबल नहीं पढ़ेंगे, रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। आपको 0 टाइम टेबल पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा चाहे आप भले 0 लाए नीचे। ओके, सो बट यहाँ तो नंबर है। नाउ कम्स डाउन हियर 2. नाउ 5 लीव द टेबल 5 to 2. तो 5 1 जा 5, 1 टाइम आपने टेबल पढ़ा, ज्यादा हो गया तो 0 पार्ट टेबल पढ़ेंगे। 5 0 0 means 2 minus 0 equal 2. Now how we check your answer? So the formula of checking dividend equal quotient multiply by divisor or divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. This is your quotient, this is your divisor, and this is your remainder, and this is your dividend. Dividend is 52 equal quotient is 10 multiply 5 plus remainder is 2. Now 52 equal 10 5 is 50 plus 2 equal 52 equal 52. Look at here, left hand side and right hand side is equal, means divisor is 52 and your product is divisor and quotient is 50 plus remainder is 52, means both numbers are equal, so that means here your divide is right. Okay, now the next question, this is the formula of verification of your divide. Now 6 2 3 2 ja 6, 0 comes down here 9, 3 3 ja 9, 0. Now check करिए, check is quotient, your divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. Divisor is 3 multiply quotient is 23 plus remainder is 0. So 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6 plus 0 equals 69. Look at here, this is 69, this is also 69, means this divide is your right. Now the question number 4, 7 1 is 7, 0 comes down here 8, 7 1 is 7 1. Yes, good. Yes. Right. Now check divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Divisor is 7, quotient is 11, and remainder is 1 plus 1. So 11 7 is 77 plus 1 equals 78. Here also 78. Okay, that means your divide is right. Now the last question, question number 3. Now the dear children, question number C, and this is the last question in this exercise. Question number C, 246 divided by 2, means here also divide using long division and check your answer. So dear children, divide, just I told you how we divide and how we check your answer. So 2 1 is 2, 0, 4 comes down here 4, 2 2 is 4, comes down here 6, 2 3 is 6, your remainder is 0. So how we check? One quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. 123 plus multiply by 2 equal to 46 plus 0 equal to 146. Now here 809 divided by 2, 2 4 is 8, comes down 0, so 2 0 0 comes down here 9, 2 4 is 8, means remainder is 1 and quotient is 404. So quotient multiplied by divisor plus 1 equal 809. This is your answer. Now here also quotient is 121, divisor is 4. So 121 divided by multiplied by 4 equal 484 plus 3 equal 487 and 487 is here also. Okay, and ये divide है आपका, divide बता चुके हैं. Now last question is 5 1 5 comes down here 0. हमने अभी just last question में explain किया था कि कहीं भी 0 भी नंबर आए तो भी आपको टेबल रीड करना है. ये भी सोचते हैं कि हमने 0 लिखा, कुछ तो नंबर ही नहीं इसमें टेबल रीड करें, इसलिए 0 आपने नीचे लाया तो आपको 0 टेबल 0 टाइम टेबल पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. तो 5 0 0 comes down here 8. 5 1 5 means remainder is 3. So 101 multiplied by 5 plus 3 equal 505 plus 3 equal 508. So many questions are left here. So dear children, these questions you can do yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.